Good morning, everybody. This is Terry with Terry's Travels. And guess what? You're right. We are doing another van tour. uh, so I've met a new lady on this camping trip. Her name is Janet, and she owns a Ram ProMaster 2500. I've gotten a sneak peek of her van. Y'all are going to absolutely love this van. I'm just amazed at how well thought out this van has been put together, and it's very clean. It's very it's not cluttered. It's just really, really nice. But y'all come with me. Let's go meet Janet. You're gonna absolutely love her. I know I do. Also, I wanted to make y'all aware, any kind of camping gear that you might be interested in, I will have that link below in the description below. So if you'll go to my description and just scroll down, you'll see all of those links, and you may see something you need.
Hi, Terry.
Hey, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I am wonderful.
My name's Janet, and I drive a 2018 Ram ProMaster. I wanted a Ford, but I ended up with a ProMaster 2500, 159 wheelbase. I get about, I would say 17 miles to the gallon-ish, and I bought it when it had about 63,000 miles on it, and I think I put about 12,000 on it in the last year, going to different meetups and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
So anyway, when you're ready, we'll
Oh, I'm excited for this, y'all. I've seen the inside of this thing.
Well, I wish I could take credit. I bought it already built out. The fella I bought it from, the original owner, he had built this himself, the wood, and put the wood on the walls and everything. Now he didn't have these upper cabinets, so I put these in, and I have made some modifications. He had actually a twin bunk bed that went north and south this way.
Okay.
Because he was 6'4", believe it or not. So there was no way he could go east and west with the bed. So I took that out and moved my bed east and west because I needed a big garage so I can carry all my junk with me.
I get that.
Can relate to that.
Oh, yes.
And have a 12-volt fridge and freezer. Well, you know, these have such a tiny freezer that I carry an extra little freezer with me.
Okay, and what is that then? What's the name of that then?
I think it's a Vivor.
Vivor, okay, yep, that's
and
what it says.
I want to say it's a 12-quart. It's either a 10 or a 12-quart, and so that's come in real handy because I try to freeze food, you know, before I leave home, and bring that with me so I don't have to eat out so much.
So, did the refrigerator? Did it come with the?
It did not. I put that in myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Had I believe it was a chest freezer, and it was under here, and had to pull out. I don't like the chest freezers.
Yeah.
Because everything you want is always in the bottom.
On the bottom, yeah.
So yeah, so I took that out and put this one in, and
so what did they run off of then?
it's a 12-volt.
12
So
volt.
it runs off your battery.
So you've got batteries like in your garage then? Where's your
Yes.
batteries?
Okay. Yeah, it's in the back. I'll show you here in just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, I have batteries and solar panels. I have 900 watts of solar on the roof.
Oh, wow.
And so yeah, I'm pretty much able to run a lot of stuff.
And so what is that?
That's a mini split air conditioner.
Oh, check that out, y'all.
Yeah, it's called a backpack mini split, and a lot of truckers use it on their, you know, the cab of their trucks.
Yeah.
And that also is a 12-volt, so that runs off of my batteries as well.
Oh, wow.
So yeah.
Wonder how long, if you just ran it off your batteries, how long do you think?
I think it would run for days. I have 500 amp hours of batteries, and
oh, wow.
this uses about 350 watts or something like that.
Okay.
You know, when it's between 350 and when it first kicks on, maybe 500.
Y'all just
So
look at how she's got everything. Look how sweet everything is.
thank you.
Oh, it's
And
so
there's
clean
my
and neat.
TV, and
You can swivel. It's got a swivel arm on
got a
it.
swivel, so I can
Oh,
watch TV
yeah.
in bed, or And my passenger seat also has a swivel on it, so I can turn my passenger seat
Oh,
around
let me see.
and watch TV.
Oh, yeah, look, y'all.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah,
I love swivel seats.
me too. And it came already in here, so I was glad of that. I didn't have to put it on. So.
Well, what about this propane
It's
butane?
just a single propane burner. And
Do you use that in here?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't fry anything or
Right.
do anything like that, but I boil water, heat things up. I also have an air fryer, this small air fryer here.
Oh, yeah.
And that does a really good job, believe it or not. It heats
Oh,
things
yeah.
up really fast. So
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I've enjoyed that.
And she's got plug-ins, y'all, in her on her walls.
Right.
That's nice.
So when I'm plugged into shore power, of course, those work that way. But
Right.
if I'm boondocking or something, I have an inverter that I can turn the inverter on and use my AC.
Yeah. Well, let's talk about your storage.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Well, this is my kitchen mostly up here. I have food in this area, and my plates and that kind of stuff here.
Yeah.
This is my kitchen as well. I have my cutlery and things like that here, and then in this drawer are my skillets, saucepans, that sort of thing. My baskets down here are kind of the bulky things that really won't fit up here.
And it amazes me how much storage you have.
Yeah.
You know.
So I'm able to keep a lot of
Yeah.
just big things that won't fit there. This, of course, this is my medicine cabinet, and this is mainly beauty products, healthcare,
Yeah.
that kind of thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
And she's got a sink, y'all.
I've seen.
So
Yep.
where does that dump out to?
I have a. Well, you can't see it right now, but I have just a.
Oh,
See
okay.
that right there, and it dumps out on the ground, but.
But that is your water source, and then you get your water from that.
No, that's for my gray water.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you the water when we go look at the garage.
Okay.
But while we're in here, let me show you about how to take a bath.
I want to see
I
that.
actually take a bath.
I'm excited about that.
So this is my doggy pool. Every meetup I go to, everybody wants to see this. They're so excited about it. And it's a 32-inch. And you saw how it was folded up into pretty much nothing.
Yeah, into nothing. Like
Yeah.
it took up no space.
Yeah, and so here's my collapsible bucket. And what I'll do is heat water up on the stove. And I sit in my bathtub, and I have a plastic cup that I just pour the water over.
Oh,
in.
yeah. Yes.
And since I'm right here at the door, and it's not heavy because, believe it or not, you can take a bath in a gallon of water.
Yes.
And get pretty clean.
Yes.
So it's not heavy, and so what I just scoot it towards the door and just empty it out.
Because there's the little thing.
And it even
Yeah.
has a drain if I wanted to do that.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That is so neat. I might have to think about that myself.
It is, and you can get them smaller, but they'd probably be hard to sit in,
I have a portable hot water heater that has a shower attached.
Yeah.
So I did a review on that, and I was able to keep that. That was really
Oh,
nice.
that's good. Yeah.
But yeah, that is
propane, right?
yes, propane. Yes, propane. Yes. But y'all, this is so nice in here. Let's have one more look. Oh, okay. Now what is this?
Yeah. So this is my potty.
That's the potty.
Double duty.
Yeah.
So this is my potty. It's a luggable loo. Really, you could use any 5-gallon bucket
Right.
with a lid.
Right.
I ended up ordering a urine diverter off of eBay. There are people on eBay that make those, with the
Right.
3D printers.
Yes.
And it just hangs over the side of the bucket, and it empties into a gallon milk jug.
Yeah.
And then the back part is I have bags, and that's where my solids go. But when I'm not using it for that, then this becomes my footstool,
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
which is
yeah.
why I have a cushion on it.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. Well, or even a little table or just whatever you want to
sure.
use it for.
That's right.
That's nice. Yes. I like that.
And then this little dresser here, I found this at a thrift store, and it ended up just fitting perfect in this spot. So
It really
this is where
does.
I keep most of my clothes and stuff. So.
Well, and I think this is kind of this. I would love something like this. I've done a couple of van tours. This is my third one on the ProMaster. Every setup I've seen is nice. It's really, really
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This is a lot of room to move around in.
Oh,
And
it is, yeah. I
So-
love that. I'm glad that the one I had before this, I had the galley kitchen type
Right,
of a thing. You
right.
know, this was kitchen, this was bed, and you had this much room to walk.
Yeah, that's
and then
just
you just
not
had
enough.
a little room to get out the door. I didn't like that at all.
Right.
And I love all this wide open space here. I mean, I could do yoga in here, I guess, if I wanted
Yes,
to.
if you wanted to.
If
I
I was
mean,
into it.
even in my van, I stretch every morning, and if it's cold,
Yeah.
I stretch in my van.
Right.
Yeah, I do. I got to get on the floor and I do my stretching right there. So, but yeah, let's go check out your.
See the garage?
Yes, let's go do it.
Yeah. And I put this AstroTurf on my running board because when I ordered, this didn't come with it. I ordered this running board and I didn't realize it was that kind of, it's a boot scraper type.
Right.
And a lot of times I go in barefoot. Well,
That hurts.
It would hurt.
Yeah.
So I put this on here and I just love it.
Yeah.
People probably laugh at me going down the road, but I don't care.
Well, we're not worried about other people, are we? Okay, this is the back. So
this is the outside of the mini split. Yeah.
Wow.
And we hung it on and this is not my original idea. I've seen several videos of people who have done this, and so I copied it from
that just is
several on YouTube.
It's amazing to me.
I did have these windows put in. There were no windows in the back, and I like to be able to see out. Plus, I wanted some more ventilation, so I got the awning style, which is fantastic. So if it's raining, you can keep these open.
Where did you order those from?
Van Windows Direct.
Okay. All right.
They're out of California, I believe.
And what about the mini split? Where did that?
I got it off Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to say it was under $400.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they're real cheap.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you can spend more than that if you want to.
And so, your husband mounted that?
I have a handyman close to me, and he had built out his own bus.
Right.
So he kind of knew how to do a lot of stuff, and I had him.
That is absolutely wonderful.
Yeah,
I need one of these. Eventually, I had to start out in what I got, and I'm very happy with it, but I can see myself moving into something like this.
There you go. All right, so this is on this side is my electrical. So I have 500 amp hours of lithium batteries and a 2500 watt inverter. So I can run pretty much any appliance in there that I need to. I can use my blow dryer if I choose to do that. Of course, if I want to use my 110 plugs, I turn my inverter on. But I try to get as many 12 volt things as I can get.
Me too.
Yeah, that way I don't have to fool with turning on the inverter.
Yeah.
And this is my fresh water. I think it's a 16 gallon, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is my messy garage. And right now, we're at a meetup right now, so I've got a lot of stuff pulled out. But when I'm getting ready to go, this thing is packed full.
And there's so much room back there, though.
Yeah, and the downside is my bed is high, so I have to get a stool to get into it. But the pro is
you've got all that
this
space.
room. Yeah, and I love that.
And you can still, even though the bed sits high, you still have plenty of headspace.
Oh, yeah.
So if you just want to, sit up in bed, that's not even an issue.
Right. Yeah, I have plenty of room to sit up.
Yeah. Wow, that's nice. She's got her hose here, dangling here, and she's got her shovel over here, and she's got a place to put her shoes. Wow.
Girl's got to have her shoes.
Yes, she does. I'm in total agreement. So, you just do this part time then?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
live in East Texas, and so I love going to meetups and meeting people from all over the country.
Yes, me too.
I just love it.
Yep.
All stripes and
It's
amazing.
It is amazing.
Because it kind of widens and broadens your perspective.
Yeah. Yeah. Not only that, you meet wonderful lifetime friends.
Oh, I agree. Yeah.
And this meetup we're at today, y'all, is a smaller. This weekend it's a smaller group, so we're able to get to know each other.
Yeah.
And that's how I'm gonna hang out for the rest of my night. Is how I'm gonna hang out with these ladies because a lot of them are going home tomorrow. Are you headed out too?
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
And we have a guitar player, singer.
We do.
And she's fantastic.
She is, and she's got
maybe Terri will do a little snapshot of her.
I will.
Yeah,
I will.
post it.
Yeah, I sure will. I will sure give her
Do
some.
a sing along.
Yeah, who knows? Yeah. So I'm sure she'll be down here tonight because she was down here last night. It was really good.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but thank you so much for giving us the van tour. And I think it's absolutely wonderful. You've got so many great ideas.
Well,
And
I copied my ideas from everybody else.
yeah,
I don't
yeah.
think I have an original thought.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, seriously.
oh well.
So, because everyone, I think I have it like I want it, and then I watch one of your videos or someone else's, and I go, oh, wow, that's a great idea.
That is a
and
great
then I'm
idea.
ready to tear it all out.
Oh Lord.
But
Well,
that's the fun part of it to me.
I love the woodwork.
Yeah, me too.
And I just think it's so pretty and everything's so clean and neat and nice, and it's not cluttered, and that's kind of the way I like my stuff. I don't like a lot of
Yeah, I don't like clutter.
neither do I.
No.
Well, thank you so much for the tour. I appreciate it so much for you allowing me to come into your little home.
My
And
pleasure.
yes, well, we will see you here in just a few minutes.
Okay, Terry, thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
See you down the road.